I'll have to stop by the office. Oh no. A lamppost fell down because of lightning. We need to call the team and get help. Hello guys, I need your help.
Huh? Hello?
A lamppost came down on me. I need your help. I'll be waiting for you guys.
Copy that. Hold on a minute.
I'll clean it up. Let's fix the lamppost. It is new.
Let's pour the cement. Great job. Crane, you're up. Of course. You must have been waiting.
Whoa, you're so strong. Wow, it's like new. And the second one. Great job by the team. Keep up the good work.